Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful hand embroidery designs. Embroidery is a lovely art. It is simple, creative and very relaxing. You can use it to decorate clothes, home items and gifts. Let's explore some easy and popular designs and ideas. First we have floral designs. Flowers are the most common embroidery pattern. You can make roses, sunflowers or small tiny flowers. These designs look beautiful on dresses, dupattas and cushion covers. Next is a leaf and vine design. This style uses simple lines and curves. It looks very elegant and natural. You can use green threads to make it look fresh and realistic. Another popular idea is the geometric design. These designs use shapes like squares, triangles and lines. They look modern and stylish, perfect for table runner, pillow covers and wall hangings. Now let's talk about traditional embroidery designs. These designs are inspired by culture and history. They often include detailed patterns and bright colors. They look very rich and beautiful on authentic wears. Next is the name or letter embroidery. You can stitch names or small words. This is perfect for gifts and professional items. It adds a special and professional touch. Another lovely idea is the mirror embroidery work. In these designs, small mirrors are added with stitches. It looks shiny and attractive, perfect for festive clothes and decorative items. Now let's talk about simple border designs. Borders are easy to make and very useful. You can decorate the edges of dresses, sleeves or handkerchiefs. Borders are easy to make and very useful. You can decorate the edges of dresses. They give a neat and finished look. For beginners, try basic stitches designs like running stitches, chain stitch and satin stitch. These are easy to learn and very useful. You can create many designs using these simple stitches. Now here are some easy tips for embroidery. Always use good quality thread and fabric. Choose colors that match your design. Keep your stitches neat and even. Practice slowly and enjoy the process. Embroidery is not about speed, it is about creativity and patience. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.